we're at the hotel now, waiting to check in. Okay. So this is our apartment for the weekend. It's a 4-bedroom. So when you enter, you have like a big sitting room, and there's a mini dining here. Also a room like self-contained with toilet, okay, and like a mini desk here where you can walk. Then we're going upstairs now. We have 3 rooms, right, all en suite. So this is the first room, like a master bedroom, very big. And I also like the bathroom area. This is definitely where I'm staying. Moving on to the next room. Also, it has like dining area, couch, big bed, and of course the toilet area. Moving on to the third room. So we have like a mini sitting room here, couch that you can just chit chat and all. To the third room now. I really love this place, and it goes for 120k at Conference Hotel. So nice.